Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you might see in the description, we're gonna unbox two beauty boxes. So that will be Lookfantastic and Glossybox. I'm gonna start with my favorite one, and actually I have something to comment about it. So I'm gonna start with the Lookfantastic one, which I ordered for a long time. I started the subscription, then I postponed it for a while, but overall I ordered before Lookfantastic subscription beauty boxes. Let me show you how it came this time. Right. This is the Lookfantastic box for February 2023. Now, let's get into 2021, I think, or 2022. And I kept a few boxes because I usually like to put small stuff in there, like travel size products or the stuff that I get from the beauty boxes. And this is how it was before, actually. It's a very good quality, actually. 1 month before, that means January 2023, I ordered the box as well. It never came, which is very weird for the Lookfantastic services because I never had this problem before. I'm not quite sure what happens. Anyway, the biggest disappointment I have is actually the box. I wouldn't expect something like this. But let's dive into it. I opened the box because it was almost already open. And yeah, it comes with this thing inside. This small piece of paper. Yeah, very disappointed. And I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products inside. So I'm gonna start with a random one, which is a I'll show you in a second. This is the first product, and this is, so I think it's an eyeshadow. It's quite a nice color. It's a creamy color. I'm not quite sure how much you can see, but this would be the color. I had similar, I'm not quite sure if it was the same. This is from Nude Sticks. No, Nude Sticks. Never heard about it. Anyway, I had this kind of products before, which doesn't really stay on my eyelid for some reason. I don't think it's something that I didn't do well. I think maybe it was just the fact that I have greasy skin, like kind of a combination skin, or maybe I didn't prep the face well. I'm not quite sure. Maybe I need another primer and it wasn't strong enough, but I tried to use it for a few times. It looks amazing, the one that I have, but it doesn't stay. I'm gonna try this on and let you know. And start with the second product. This is Grown Alchemist Age Repairing Intensive Moisturizer Cream, and this is how the box looks like. Let's dive in, and we have inside something like an eye cream, Age Repairing Intensive. This is a very small size. I'm not quite sure if you need to use this very small quantity. Anyway, this is how it looks like. It has 12 mils, which is very small for a cream. And then we have a blending drop sponge, which is this one. It is from XOXO, and this is the sponge that I was talking about. It looks pretty nice, and I really like actually the shape of the sponge. The next product is a beauty balm from Monoskin, which looks like this, and it says that it's for dry skin, brightening and tightening proteins for all skin types, but then on the sides it says that it's for dry skin. Apply a small amount to clean dry skin. Okay, I'm very tired. It's actually for all skin types. And this is as well the next one, Umbretto Gianni Banana Butter, 97% natural, repair and restore leave-in conditioner styling butter for dry, frizzy and textured hair. It looks like this. I'm very curious how it smells. It smells like, you know, when you crush bananas with biscuits and stuff. This is the exact smell of this product. It smells very nice. And the last but not least, this is a Staniac tint for cheeks and lips. It looks like this, and I guess it's just a shiny, very light tint. Actually, it's quite strong. Look at this. I'm impressed. And it doesn't smell. I'm very obsessed with some stuff from here which I want to try is this one. I love the color and the way it looks. And then I'm gonna try for sure this one as well. I usually love Look Fantastic boxes because they come with a lot of different products, a huge variety, and as well quite nice products. Alright, so we finished with the Look Fantastic box and we go now to unbox the Glossy box, which I love as well. It's very weird because this is, I think, much cheaper than the Look Fantastic one, and it comes with a box. You see, I mean, I can use this one. All this stuff needs to go somewhere, so most of the time I'm just separate them in hair products, beauty products, and so on. Alright, so this is the box. I'm not quite sure how you see it. Yeah, this is the box, and then I'm gonna open it, and it comes like this. I just really love the packaging. Look Fantastic used to do the same before. And we're gonna open it. I think it's the best thing when you receive beauty boxes, when it comes with this nice packaging and you just open it yourself and it looks like a gift somehow. Alright, let's see what we have here. You see? Same as it was Look Fantastic one. Alright, let me check. Let's start with one, a random one. So this is Hydra Aura Water Cream from Gatine Paris. I'm not quite sure if I'm reading it well. This is a travel size, I guess. It's 30 ml. Long lasting hydration for plump radiant skin. And apply morning and evening over the face and neck. Avoid eye area. Let me check if it smells. Oh my god, it smells so nice. It smells, the smell goes somewhere to, I don't know if you ever tried the Chanel face creams. It smells very, very similar. I love the smell for this one. Can't wait to try it on. Alright, we have as well a deep sleep body coconut. Alright, so this is the product. It comes as well, I think, in the same thing as travel size. It's 50 ml. So basically you massage it on the skin and you smell it after. I guess it helps with the sleep. I'm gonna try this one because I always take a lot of time to go to sleep. Okay, it's a like menthol kind of thing, very organic, smells like an organic soap. It smells very organic. So let's go to the next one. And next one is an eyeshadow palette, I think. Ooh. This is eyeshadow palette Sophia Mabel. This is how it looks. And let's après chic eyeshadow palette. Let's dive in to see what colors they have. I usually like the nude ones, but ooh, these are like orangey shades. This is how they look like. They're quite nice actually. Let me check how pigmented they are. Ooh, they're quite nice. Look at this. Just look at this, how nice it looks. And what's with this noise? Why every time I need to vlog something, somebody needs to do something on the side? And this one as well. This is the lighter color. I'm not quite sure how much you can see, but it looks pretty good. So it has basically two shimmery colors and the rest are like matte colors, and I like it. I have as well a Head First Scalp Relief Shampoo with CBD, stimulate hair vitality, volume and resilience. Yeah, it's a shampoo actually, and this is a tester as well. I think there's actually a lot of testers here. This is very weird. Anyway, I'm very, very excited to try this one because I have a huge problem with the volume, and all the time when I wash my hair it stays for a couple of hours and then it goes and just sticks on my head and it looks so weird. So then thanks God we have Dyson. Let me check how it smells. I don't know why I have a feeling it's natural. It doesn't smell natural, but it smells very fresh. Let me say, yeah, just fresh. It smells fresh and like a Barbie doll, plastic bit. And the last but not least, this is a teeth whitening pen. Oh my god, this is so exciting. and I can't wait to try this. I never tried actually whitening pen, but I'm obsessed with getting a lighter shade of my teeth. Oh my god, this is so hard to remove. Much better. So this is actually the pen. This is how it looks like. I guess, let me check what's this. Okay, I think we just have this solution inside, and you just do this squeeze basically, and it comes in here, so you put it on your teeth. I'm not quite sure how it needs to be used, but for sure I'm gonna try it on and review it later. This video ends here. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of this. As well, I'm very curious to find out which one was actually your favorite, the favorite product from each box. For me, it was obviously the whitening pen and as well the sponge from the Look Fantastic box. Please leave in the comments below which one was your favorite, and if you tried any of these products, I'm very curious to find out how did you find it. Did you love it? Did you not love it? How does it work? Because sometimes, you know, it's the way you use it as well. And I will see you next time.